Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So you just have to go to the upper bar here, and here you have to find this button, reading mode. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. Here you can switch this mode too. You can adjust its color's temperature here, and you can also add a schedule for this mode. You can set it. You can set your custom time. Here you can select the start time, end time, and you can just set it to good night's read. Switch to reading mode after sunset automatically. But for this feature you will have to enable your GPS for this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.